Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be solving this problem here for a greater than 0 and a is an integer, right? So we have then a to the a plus 1 to the a equals 91. I'm going to turn this into a product, so I'm going to say a over 3 here to the power of 3, right? So this cancels this, plus a plus 1 here, a over 3, and then this one all to the power of 3 equals 91. So sum of two cubes here, right? This is so we can say if we have a to the 3 plus b to the 3, we can say that this is a plus b, right? Which multiplies a squared minus ab plus b squared, right? So we can apply this here, and we're gonna have a to the a over 3, right, plus a plus 1 to the a over 3, which will multiply a to the power, this is square, right? So we're gonna have then 2a over 3, right? And I'm gonna write this differently, so to save some time here. So instead of saying this, I'm gonna say this is a over 3 to the power of 2, this is the same thing, minus a to the a over 3 times a plus 1 here, which is the product here, and then plus a plus 1 to the a over 3 square, right? And then this is equal 91. So cool, guys. And you know that this is a perfect square. I have a plus a this term here plus this one, and if I want to turn this into perfect square, so I'm gonna write this down here, right? Plus a plus 1 and all to the a over 3 here. So if I want to write this in terms of this one here, this is square and this is square, so I'm gonna say a over 3 here plus a plus 1 a over 3 to the power of 2. So when I apply this power here, I'm gonna have 2a to the 3 times this one here, the product of these terms, times 2. But I have a negative one here, a negative here, so a negative sign here, so I'm gonna say minus 3, which multiplies a to the a over 3 times a plus 1, right, to the a over 3. Now that's okay, and now this is 91. Okay, so now this is where we focus on this number here, 91. We can write, as you can see, guys, right? We can see that okay, 91, I can write 91 as 1 times 93. I can write 91 as 7 times 13, and this term here is smaller than this one here, okay? And if you apply this one, you're not gonna get the answer, right? You're not gonna get the integer solution that the problem requires. So I'm gonna apply the second one. I did apply this one and it didn't work. You can try it. So I'm gonna apply the second one, and let me know in the comments what you get applying this first one here. Okay. So from here, then I'm gonna say that this is 7, and this other part here, this one here is. Let me erase this one, this bar here. So okay. So and then this other part here is 13. Okay. So from here, we can write then that this is a to the a over 3 plus a plus 1 to the a over 3. This is equal 7, right? And a to the a over 3 plus a plus 1 to the a over 3 square minus 3 to the a over 3 times a plus 1 to the a over 3, right? This is equals to 13. Okay, so now let's replace this one here inside of this. So this is then going to be 77 square here, which is going to be 49 minus 3, and here we have different bases and powers. So we have a, which multiplies a plus 1 to the power of all to the power of a over 3, right? And this is equals to 13. Okay, and then here we're gonna say then this is 3 a plus 1 times a here. Let me write like this, a over 3, and then this is equal, this is gonna be 14 minus 13, and we're gonna have here negative 36, right? So, and negative 36 here, dividing both sides by negative 3, we're going to have that a times a plus 1 all to the power of a over 3 is going to be equals to 12. So, and now because of these 3 here, I'm going to multiply both power. We have 1 here, so I'm going to take both sides to the power of 3. So this is going to be a times a plus 1 here, a over 3, right? I'm going to multiply here by 3, and I'm going to take 12 to the power of 3. Okay, so now this one will go with this, right? So here I'm going to have a, which multiplies a plus 1 all to the power of a, and then this is 12, right? And 12 is 4 times 3, right, to the power of 3 here. So here I'm going to distribute this power here. This is going to a to the a, which multiplies a plus 1 to the a. And then here I can write this as 3 to the 3 times 4 to the power of 3. So this is a to the a plus 1 here to the a, equals 3 to the 3. And what is 4, guys? 4 is 3 plus 1. This is to the power of 3. So by comparing this, we're going to have that a to the a is equal to 3 to the power of 3. And a plus 1 here to the power of a is going to be equal to 3 plus 1 to the power of 3. So all comparisons here, they give us a equals 3. From the bases, I'm going to have a equals 3, right? And from the powers, a equals 3. So a is equal to 3. And then from here, same, well, you see that for this to be equal, a has to be 3. So if we say a plus 1 here from bases, we're going to have 3 plus 1 here. So 1 goes with 1. We got a equals 3. And powers are the same. So we conclude then that the solution for this problem is a equals to 3. Okay? And actually, we can check our solution, guys, applying in our equation, which is right here, a to the a plus 1 to the a equals 91. So we're going to have then this is a is 3. This is then 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 plus 1 to the power of 3. This is equal to 91. So we're going to have that this is 3 to the 3 plus 4 to the power of 3, and this is 91. So actually we should ask here, right, is it 91? So this is then 27 plus, this is going to be 64, right? And then this is 91. And actually, if we add this, we're going to have 91 equals 91. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment what you think about this solution. And my friend, please subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next video. One love and bye-bye.